Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're solving exponential equations step by step. Hey, can you solve this equation? Pause the video for a few seconds and try solving it on your own before we begin. Okay, welcome back. Let's get started. We have 8 exponent x minus 2 exponent x all over 2 exponent x equals to 15. First, remember 8 can be written as 2 exponent 3 all exponent x minus 2 exponent x all 2 exponent x equals to 15. Multiply the exponents, that will give 2 exponent 3x, then we cube the 2 exponent x in the denominator equated to 15. Now we have to take out the common factor into the numerator, that will be 2 exponent x, and we'll be left with 2 exponent 2x minus 1. Keep the denominator equal to 15. So let's divide the 2 exponent x with 2 exponent x. That gives us 2 exponent 2x minus 1 equals to 15. Transpose the negative 1 to the right hand side. We'll have 15 plus 1. 2 exponent 2x is equals to 16. Then we'll rewrite the 16 as 2 exponent 4. Since we have the same basis, we'll equate the exponent. So 2x is equals to 4. Then we divide both sides by 2. Our x is equals to 2. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye.